Are you feeling overwhelmed by morning breakfast, especially with a busy schedule? But starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is essential, and we're here to help you make it happen without spending hours in the kitchen. Today, we're going to share some quick and healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for those hectic mornings. Whether you're rushing to work, juggling family responsibilities, or just trying to go out on time, these recipes will give you the energy and focus you need to tackle your day. And the best part? They can all be made in minutes. Let's look at the importance of a nutritious breakfast. A healthy breakfast is like fuel for your body. It boosts your energy levels and helps improve your focus throughout the day. The recipes we'll share today are designed to be quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. All women need nutritious breakfast options that fit seamlessly into their lives. We've got you covered with delicious, time-saving, and health-boosting recipes. So, let's dive in and get started. First up, we have overnight oats. This is one of our absolute favorites because it's incredibly easy to prepare and saves you so much time in the morning. Here's what you'll need. Rolled oats, milk, or a dairy-free alternative like almond or oat milk, chia seeds, honey, and fresh fruits. To make it, simply take a jar or a bowl and mix half a cup of rolled oats with half a cup of your chosen milk. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for an extra fiber boost, and sweeten it with a teaspoon of honey. Mix it, seal the jar, and put it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it off with your favorite fresh fruits, such as berries, bananas, or even some nuts for added crunch. Now, let's talk about why this recipe is so amazing. Overnight oats are packed with high fiber content from the oats and chia seeds, which helps keep you full longer and supports digestive health. Fresh fruits add natural sweetness and provide essential vitamins and antioxidants for your immune system. What we love most about this recipe is its versatility. You can customize it with different toppings or add spices like cinnamon or nutmeg to change things up. It's a nutritious powerhouse that's ready to go when you are. Next, we have avocado toast with egg. This is a quick and delicious option that's perfect for busy mornings. Here's what you'll need. Whole grain bread, a ripe avocado, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and either a boiled or poached egg. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread until it's nice and crispy. While the bread is toasting, mash a ripe avocado in a bowl and mix it with a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Once the toast is ready, spread the avocado mixture evenly on top. Finally, place your boiled or poached egg on the avocado toast. You can add optional toppings like cherry tomatoes or microgreens for extra flavor and nutrients. Let's examine the nutritional benefits of this delightful breakfast. Avocado is rich in healthy fats that help keep you full longer and provide essential nutrients for your body. The egg is an excellent source of protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and sustained energy throughout the day. Plus, using whole grain bread adds an extra amount of fiber to your meal, helping in digestion and keeping you feeling satisfied. This combination tastes amazing and provides balanced nutrients to kickstart your day. Our final recipe for today is the vibrant smoothie bowl. This one is delicious and looks awesome, making it a fantastic way to start your day. Here's what you'll need. Frozen berries, a banana, Greek yogurt, or a dairy-free alternative, and granola. To prepare, blend 1 cup of frozen berries with a banana and half a cup of Greek yogurt until smooth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a splash of milk. Once blended, pour the smoothie into a bowl and top it with granola for a satisfying crunch. You can also add nuts or seeds for extra texture and nutrients. Now, let's talk about why this smoothie bowl is so good for you. The berries are packed with antioxidants, which boost your immune health and protect your cells from damage. The banana adds natural sweetness and provides potassium, essential for heart health. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, helping with muscle recovery and keeping you full longer. Plus, it contains probiotics that support gut health. The granola, nuts, or seeds you add on top make the bowl more exciting and contribute additional fiber and healthy fats. This colorful bowl is a treat for your taste buds and a powerhouse of nutrients that will energize you for the busy day ahead. It's quick to make, fun to drink, and incredibly nourishing. We hope you found these recipes helpful and easy to incorporate into your busy mornings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and healthy recipes that fit perfectly into your hectic lifestyle. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and supporting us on our journey to share healthy living tips. Have a fantastic day ahead, and we'll see you in the next video.